Heidi here. This is my second time trying to film this video. I actually made the same one February last year, but obviously didn't end up uploading it because who needs a club outfit video when you can't go anywhere, right? So this will be my first time going on a night out again since lockdown, so I'm excited about that. And I will be styling 2 outfits in this video because I'm going out on Friday for drinks, and then Saturday we will be going out for a club night. I already know basically what I'll be wearing for the club outfit, so I will style that one first. I already know that I want to wear this skirt. You've probably seen the DIY video of me modifying this from a dress. If you haven't, I will link it in the description for you to see. So when putting together a club outfit, I've usually got one item in mind that I already want to wear. So I'll go with that item and then style the outfit around it. With this, obviously because it's bright yellow, then we need to have bright yellow elsewhere in the outfit. And I will be wearing my yellow Cybergoth with this as well. I usually like to reserve things like cyberlocks and hair falls for nights out and festivals and things like that. Mainly because I get a headache if I tie my hair up for too long. And I just like to keep it, especially for those events. So we will start with this. For the top, I think I'll go with this. I like how it's kind of the opposite of the skirt, whereas most of it's yellow with a bit of black, and it's the opposite of this top. I quite like that. I like to wear lots of accessories with all kinds of outfits, especially club outfits. So I'm going to put this harness over the top. I made this one. Oh, and I got this from a charity shop and modified it. So yeah, I will be putting this with that. And it actually lines up pretty nicely because the harness goes slightly underneath the top. So that'll look really good. I have these 2 collars that would be good for the outfit, and I'll just hold them up and see which one I think will work best. I think this one, the tone of this yellow goes really great with these items, and because it's got the black as well, that'll work well together, so I'm going to go with this one. And here are my Cyberlocks. I got them from the Cyberlocks shop. I did originally get the yellow web design of Cyberlocks. They have pre-made designs you can just buy straight away. But I took off the gold stripy ones because I don't like gold. And I added some different sized crinoline onto it. And this yellow spiral one, and I like it much better now. And I also took off the foam bits because they always just stick up at really odd angles, so I just want something light and easy to wear. As you all probably have noticed, there isn't much clothing going on here, but clubs tend to be quite warm, so I like to just, provide plenty of ventilation. I can only really wear this kind of thing to clubs and festivals, so I like to take the opportunity. Now we've definitely got plenty of colour, so I'm going to add a few more accessories, and I'm going to balance out the yellow a bit more. I'm going to put this bracelet with it. I made this out of 2 different kinds of webbing and just these plastic buckles. I need to make another one, I think, so I can have matching wrists. And this is definitely my most worn bracelet at the moment. And for my other wrist, I'm going to wear this. It's actually a belt, but I just loop it round and wear it on my wrist instead. I'm also going to add these gloves for a bit more texture. They've got this really interesting kind of fishnet style pattern. And these go up to here, and I really like the way they look, especially with something sleeveless and cropped like that top. I don't really try things on whilst I'm planning an outfit, but if that's something that would help you, then definitely do that. I'm definitely feeling the need for a belt, and my belts are here, so... I mean, it has to be this one, doesn't it, to go with this. This I got from a charity shop, and it's actually a dog harness. I can't remember exactly how it's supposed to go for a dog, but I just kind of adjusted these straps a bit and then put this around my waist, and it looks great. It doesn't look anything like a dog harness whilst you're wearing it. For boots, I'm going to wear these. I got these recently off Vinted. They're vintage square boots, and they do have red on there, but it's just a tiny bit, so it doesn't matter too much. These are really comfortable, and I will need to wear these whilst I'm travelling, so I need something I can walk about in. So these will be perfect for that, and they'll look amazing with the outfit. To finish off the outfit, I'm going to put this bag with it. This is just one that you wear over your shoulder, and it just stays on and you don't have to hold it. So it's basically like extra pockets that you can add on to an outfit. It's really handy, and it's got a yellow logo, so it'll go with the rest of it. I only need a small bag for nights out. That's my club outfit all sorted. Now I'm going to put together my out for drinks outfit. So this one will be a little bit more toned down than my club outfit. I haven't got any specific ideas of what I want to wear for this, so it'll be more of a case of just going through everything, seeing what I like the look of and seeing what works together. I have settled on this dress. It is a mini dress, so I think I will wear some shorts underneath it. Otherwise, everything will be out. I pulled it out of the wash, so it needs to, I will hand wash it before I wear it, of course. But I just wanted to show you it now, and I thought it would look really good with this shawl that I thrifted very recently. It's in my latest haul. So I think this just kind of makes it a bit more casual, and whereas a club will be really warm, a bar might not be as warm, so I just want something to have on in case I need it. Sometimes I like to do a bit of a flat lay just to see how it will all look, especially as I haven't styled this with any of my stuff before, so I quite like to do this. And I think I'll just find some shorts to go underneath this because it's very, very short, and I'm not going for that particular kind of look for this night. After that, I think I'll just add some accessories. I tried these shorts on underneath the dress, and it works really well actually. You can't tell from the front that I'm wearing shorts underneath it, and then at the back there's just a tiny bit of PVC that you can see. And I was kind of expecting it to keep sliding up over the PVC, but it stays down, which is great. So that's the clothing sorted. I've chosen this collar for my jewellery. I made this one, and it's got this shiny PVC style fabric, and I'm going to reuse this bracelet because it's got the same kind of shiny effect. For shoes, I'm going to wear these. I chose these to go with the accessories, so it would all coordinate down with the shorts. But I haven't actually worn these yet. But being as we'll just be in the city centre, all the ground will be really flat, so I won't have any trouble wearing these. And being as I'm wearing sandal shoes, I'm going to just put some tights with it as well. And then I think that's that outfit done. Here's a bonus outfit for you. I always like to dress more comfortably when travelling, and to save space I'll usually wear things like belts and the largest boots that I have with me. If I have more than one pair, then I have less stuff to carry, which I much prefer. As it usually does, a few drinks turned into walking back to the hotel at 6 AM. And as predicted, bars are not as warm as clubs, so an extra layer came in handy. I started off wearing the sandals but changed into my boots again after taking about 5 steps outside of the hotel. The platform was way too narrow, which made it really unstable, and I need to feel stable on my feet. Luckily, that was the only hiccup. It was really comfy and I loved wearing it. I will admit I was rather drunk at this point, but luckily it wasn't enough to actually show on my face. As a result, I forgot to get landscape footage of this, but this was fine, I think. I put this jumper on for the walk to and from the club so I wouldn't freeze. I thought this was the perfect location to show you this outfit in, being as it matched. I ended up only wearing one of my fulls because I didn't realise I'd added so much crinoline to it, and it was actually way too big. It was amazing to be able to go out again. I had a lot of fun. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!